Hello everybody, I am Rohit Chitte and I am data science intern at Spark Foundation. Problem statement is performing exploratory data analysis on sample superstore dataset. So objective is to analyze and find out weak areas where profit can be maximized. So first of all we start by importing required libraries such as numpy, pandas, matplotlib for visualization and seaborn as well. Next step is importing the dataset. So you can see that some few of the observations from the dataset. The next step is finding out the null values and getting some basic information about dataset as well here. Here I have printed full summary of the data frame which gives some statistical information about the dataset. This is the describe function which gives information, metadata about the data. Next step is also finding the duplicates and dropping the duplicate values, finding the unique values, and this is the correlation function from the data frame, from the pandas that gives correlation among different features of the data set. From this data we can infer few of the things like finding correlation of data set. More discount leads to higher losses, so to maximize profit discount needs to be brought down. So on some commodities more loss is in binders category, machine category, tables category when compared to others. Sales and profits are moderately correlated, discount and profits are negatively correlated. So the main reason which leads to loss in discount, some areas leads to loss due to more discounts and some areas leads to fewer sales due to fewer discounts. It needs to be optimized. It is better to give more discount during festive seasons which leads to increased sales. So the home office segments needs to be improvement, and some cities gives lower sales. Lack of awareness can be reason for it, so advertising in those cities will lead to sales. So here next step is printing the plots and getting more information by using visualization libraries. So this is a bar plot. Next is the count plot. This is the count plot as well. This is heat map that gives a correlation among the visual representation of correlation among different features. These are the count plots and bar plots. This is the line plot. These are the histograms, pair plots, and groupings. This step demonstrates implementation of k-means clustering algorithm for grouping similar items. This is the box plot. Box plot is usually used to find some kind of values that do not fit into the standard range. These are the quantiles, scatter plots and disk plots, etc. So the overall analysis is the main reason which leads to loss is discounts. So some areas leads to loss due to more discounts and some areas leads to fewer sales due to fewer discounts. So based on this data provided, our objective is to optimize the discount process. Thank you.